Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at the best online course platforms so we can help you decide which platform is best for you and your online course. So let's go ahead and hop right in. We've broken this down into three categories here. We have all-in-one course platforms, WordPress course builders, and online course marketplaces. And these are the three main categories of online course platforms that you will find. So starting with all-in-one course platforms here, these are course platforms where you can go and build your entire course all on this one site, all on this one platform, and it's connected in one place here. So some pros of this category: everything's simple and in one place. And you're also not going to be having to worry about the tech side of things as much. You're not going to have to integrate this plugin with that, connect things. You're not worrying about the tech side or the coding side of things at all whatsoever. You're just drag and drop building your course. And another benefit of these platforms are, since almost everybody's building an online course in here, there's going to be some sort of community, and this platform is going to help you make the right steps to build a successful online course. But this does come with some cons of this category. These platforms are usually a little bit more expensive. You're paying per month to use these platforms. And the main big con here is once you start on this platform, you're pretty much stuck on this platform. Unless you want to completely redesign everything over again. If you ever want to, if say your online course is ready to go to the next level and you want to move off the platform onto your own platform, it's going to be a lot of work to move all of your existing creations, whether that's your actual course or your members, from one platform to another. So those are the downsides of the all-in-one course platform. Next, another main category are the WordPress course builders. And as you probably know, WordPress is the most popular website builder on the web, and there's hundreds of plugins, thousands of themes. You can integrate many course builders into your WordPress site, or you can use a membership plugin to build a course on your WordPress site. And that is a great option to go with as well. Personally, what I like doing the best is using WordPress. So the main benefits here is you have full control over your site. You're hosting it. It's on your servers. You have full control of design. And with WordPress, you can edit everything all the way down to the code if you need to. Of course, you don't need to, but if you want to do anything custom, you have full range of control there. And this also usually ends up being a little bit cheaper than these membership platforms as well. You usually pay $5 to $10 a month for hosting, and then you just got to pay for your domain. Other than that, you're paying for the plugin that you end up using to build your online course platform on. And thousands of people have built online courses with WordPress as well as ourselves, so there are tons of guides on how to easily set this up with WordPress. And our final category here are course marketplaces. And these are platforms that already have existing customers on their website, and these customers are looking to learn new things and take courses. So there's hundreds of courses on these sites, and you upload your course and you get some revenue if one of their customers decides to use your course. So this option can be good for testing the waters, seeing if your course is going to be something that people want to use. But overall, you only make a small portion of the revenue from what you could be making by using these course platform sites. And you're not actually building your own business by doing this. You never own your own customer. You're just helping Udemy or Skillshare grow their business, and you're being a part of that. So we always recommend, if you're putting in the work to build your own course or membership, you might as well build it under your own brand, because then not only are you building your online course, but you're building an online business where you can reap the benefits of that for months and years to come. So now I'm going to hop in and show you guys a demo first of these WordPress course builders, and then we'll hop over to the all-in-one course platforms, and I'll give you a demo of those first. So first let's start with Learndash, and I'll show you guys a course I built with Learndash here on another membership site. And this is what your end product is going to look like in our case. We have our 4 main course sections here for this course. And if we go in the back end of WordPress, this is how it's going to look. So this is where your plugin is, and this is where you're going to build the course. So we have our topics, which are going to go into lessons, which are going to be the main lessons for your courses. So as you can see right here, we're on the courses tab. We have 6 courses here. They each have a thumbnail, and that ends up looking like this once you set the courses up. And I'll just give you a sneak peek of what's inside of here. You can edit these first course pages. So when we open this up, here's our course page right here, buying strategy, and that just looks pretty simple like this. And we have our buying strategy featured image right here. And then the course content comes in right under this, and this is nice and easy to set up right here with this associated content, this little tab right here. And these are just the lessons. So now you can see that we're in the lessons. And all we did to set up this course content right here is we have a link to the video. So whenever you open this up, it pops up with the video, which is on our website, and the user can go ahead and watch the video and click to the next lesson. So super easy to set up courses, lessons, and topics within Learndash here. And you can also implement quizzes, questions, certificates, even have assignments. So you can go super deep here with this Learndash LMS for setting up your WordPress online course website. So next, let's go ahead and take a look at Memberpress and how that works. So go ahead and we're going to run the clip. Let's take a look at their LMS, learning management software, which is pretty much their course builder. So normally with other subscription plugins, you're just going to have to create your course within the WordPress posts or pages and then use that plugin to lock those posts. But what Memberpress does differently is they have an actual course builder in here where you can set up a course. So let's take a look and see how that looks. Super secret knowledge right here in this course. So you have your course page here. This is the front page, and then you have your curriculum. So this is where you would put in your different sections and different lessons. So here we have section 1, section 2, and then we can add a lesson. So if you're building your course here, you can just come right in here, add in your lessons, fill this in, and see how it looks. So we just set that up pretty basically. Let's take a look at the preview and see how Memberpress puts this together. It's a great interface here and definitely a better alternative to just using posts and pages and then locking it based off of that. Alternatively, you don't need an LMS plugin or a WordPress course builder plugin at all to build your course if you don't want. Here's an example of our actual profit per month course for building online courses and memberships, and we didn't use either of these plugins. We just used the default WordPress pages and posts, put them into their own categories, and put them into their own sections here. And then we just used the PPM plugin to lock which pages are for course members only. And this is a free option if you guys want to use it. You just download the plugin and you select which pages you want to lock. And if somebody goes to that page who doesn't have access, it's going to send them to your sales page. So if you're not ready to spend yet on an LMS plugin and you just want a quick, simple solution, this is another solution here that we use ourselves and love doing it personally. Next, let's take a look at the all-in-one platforms, Teachable, Kajabi, and Thinkific. So taking a look at Teachable here, we have 3 different pricing plans, $29 a month, $99 a month, and $249 a month. With this $29 a month, you will be able to have unlimited students. There will be a transaction fee on each of your sales, but you'll be able to build an entire course, an entire website, which is handled for you. You don't have to worry about hosting. You'll have a members-only community. You'll be able to collect payments directly through Teachable, so you don't have to worry about setting up any separate payment collection source. And you can drip your content, so you can release your content over time to customers to try and have better retention. And then, of course, you can hook up all of your email marketing services into here, so you can build your email list and generate more leads and send them here to your online course. So pretty much at the end of the day, Teachable, you can create an online course and you can sell that course directly to people who come to your site and check it out. So Thinkific here is actually very, very similar to Teachable, and these two platforms are in big competition. Difference here, the pricing is there's a $0 free tier. You can go ahead and try out Thinkific, and then it goes to $39 a month, $79 a month, $399 a month. Each tier there having slightly more features. And one of the big differences with Thinkific here is that there are no transaction fees on each sale, whereas Teachable, you're going to have a 5% transaction fee at the lowest level here. There's actually no transaction fees for each of your customers' sales here on Thinkific. So if you have a lot of customers, obviously you don't want to have too much of a percentage being taken out of every sale. So Thinkific might be a better option there. And then Kajabi is another one that often gets clustered in with Teachable and Thinkific. And it is similar in the sense that you can build your own course, put that up on the web, and then sell it. Although Kajabi is an even more beefed up all-in-one platform, because you can do even more than just build a course and sell it. So as you can see, the pricing here is $119 a month, $159 a month, $319 a month for Kajabi. So a big difference in pricing there. So let's see what you really get with Kajabi that you don't get with the other membership platforms. I'll have it laid out just basically for you here. So just for beginners, Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, each of these have a course builder where you can create a course, put that up, people can come to your site and buy that. Kajabi, you're just going to have that flat monthly fee along with Thinkific, where you're just paying a certain amount a month for access to their platform. You don't have to pay anything else. With Teachable, they're going to collect a small percentage of every sale from your customers. All right. And then Kajabi, we have a one-step checkout option as well as Teachable, whereas Thinkific's checkout process is not quite as smooth. You have to go through a couple different steps there in order for your customers to check out. And we know from a marketing standpoint that we want to have as smooth as a checkout process as possible to increase our conversions there on our course sales. So Thinkific could use some improvement there. But the big difference with Kajabi from Teachable and Thinkific here is that you can do more than just build a course. You can bring all of the different facets of your membership site together in one. So that includes building opt-in pages and marketing funnels. So of course we want to build our email list for our members as much as possible. And oftentimes we'll do that through ClickFunnels, through just different plugins on WordPress if you're using the Build It Yourself platforms, or even with Teachable or Thinkific, you're going to have to integrate an email service in order to collect those emails. But what Kajabi does is it brings that all together. So here you can see it actually takes your MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, and Kajabi handles your entire email services. So your emails are on Kajabi, and you will not be integrating any email service there. So if you have some email expense monthly, I know if you use MailChimp and a couple of these other ones, if you have a couple hundred, couple thousand people in your list, that starts to get expensive. You can pay $50, $100 a month for MailChimp. So already right there, that can take off some expense for using Kajabi. But of course, another thing is that if you're using this all-in-one platform, you're going to have to be using everything from Kajabi. So you won't be able to pick and choose what sorts of softwares or integrations you want if you're using Kajabi. You're just kind of stuck with what they have built, which is great, don't get me wrong. Kajabi has built, they've done a great job bringing all of these integrations together into one spot. But you are giving up a little bit of freedom there. Say you want to use MailChimp, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So that about wraps it up here. In conclusion, we're going to go ahead and give WordPress 5 stars for building your online course platform on. This is what we use, and this is going to give you the most flexibility into the future for building your online business. However, if you don't want to worry about the tech side of things at all, you just want it nice and easy, you want to focus on building your course, then you are going to want to use an all-in-one platform. Nothing wrong with using one of these. It'll be nice and simple, drag and drop. You'll have a course built. It's going to look beautiful, and it'll probably be a little bit quicker than using WordPress. And finally, we do not recommend using the course marketplace. You want to build your own business, and even though it might take a little bit more time, you maybe need to do some extra sales or marketing. That's definitely worth it on your side, and we will help you get those marketing systems in place so you can get traffic to your online course and start building a membership base. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to check out profitpermonth.com, where we have a bunch of guides about building profit per month through membership sites or online courses. And if this was helpful to you, go ahead and drop a comment and tell me what else you want to see a video on, and we'll go ahead and work on that, because we want to help you guys build the best online business possible. So again, thanks for watching, and take it easy.